Verbal arithmetic is a type of mathematical game consisting of a mathematical equation among unknown numbers, whose digits are represented by letters. The goal is to identify the value of each letter. The following equation is a classic example, which was first published in July 1924 issue of Strand magazine. The equation is send plus more equals to money. Each letter represents a different digit. As usual, the leading digit of a multi-digit number must not be 0. Solving such equations involves a mix of deductions and exploring various possibilities. You may pause this video to solve this interesting equation. Okay. If you have arrived at a solution, then you can check the answer with the following. O equals to 0, M equals to 1, Y equals to 2, E equals to 5, N equals to 6, D equals to 7, R equals to 8, and S equals to 9. Were you correct? Here is one possible way to find this solution. From column 5, M can be either 0 or 1, since it is the only carryover possible from the sum of two single-digit numbers in column 4. Since 0 cannot be the first digit, we deduct that M equals to 1. Here, let us look at the addition of any column which results in a carryover. Let us take different cases like 5 plus 5 equals to 10, 9 plus 9 equals to 18, 8 plus 7 equals to 15, or 9 plus 1 equals to 10. In each of these, the last digit of the sum will be smaller than either of the two digits that we added. It has to be smaller, else the carryover is not possible. If we also consider the case where these columns got a carryover of 1, then this digit will be either equal to or smaller than either of the digits being added. Since in the fourth column a carryover happened, O has to be equal or less than M. That is, O can be 0 or 1. But since each letter has unique values, so O equals to 0. With M equal to 1 and O equal to 0, possible value of S are 9 if there is no carryover and 8 if there is a carryover. Now in the third column E and O are added. If there is carryover, N has to be 0. But since we already know that O is 0, there is no possible value for N, and hence we establish that there is no carry in the third column and the value of S is 9. If there is no carry in the column 3 and O equals to 0, then it means that E equals to N. But this is not possible, which means there is a carryover to this column. Also, N equals to E plus 1. Now let us assume there is no carry in column 2. This means N plus R equals to E. Since N equals to E plus 1, this results into the equation 1 plus R equals to 0. So R equals to 9. But since we have deduced that S equals to 9, it means R equals to 8 and there is a carry in column 2. Now to produce a carry in column 2, D plus E should be 10 plus Y. Y cannot be 0 or 1, hence Y is at least 2. Hence, D plus E is at least 12. The only two pairs of available numbers that sum to at least 12 are 5 and 7 or 6 and 7. So one among D and E has to be 7. We know that N equals E plus 1. If E is 7, then N becomes 8, but we know that R is 8. Which means D equals to 7. E cannot be 6 because then N will be 7, but we know that D is 7. Which means E equals to 5 and N equals to 6. Now, D plus E equals to 12, which means Y equals to 2. Hope you enjoyed this problem and the solution. You may subscribe for more such videos.